Guys, we've been in here for a day and there's already a mess. What do you mean? So, I'm currently washing everything. Good morning, my friends, and welcome to another moving vlog. I think this moving vlog will be all about packing up my room slash my house. I don't have a whole house, but packing up my stuff. So I'm gonna start by packing up my room. I just cleaned it for like the last time so I could see what it was like before I have to pack everything up. It's gonna be so hard to like vlog normally because I haven't told you guys about this yet. So I'm gonna just do a packing montage, I guess. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. This feels so weird to be packing up my room. This is my wardrobe right now. This is all stuff that I'm donating. Then this stuff all still needs to be packed. I think I'm just gonna go to work and get some boxes and put my like hanging ones in there because I do not want to unhang them all just to rehang them in a few days. Good morning, my friends. It is a new day. It is Wednesday the 28th of March. We got the keys last night. I don't know which vlog this is going in, to be honest. I have a few going at the moment. I'm kind of confused. But yesterday I had work from 12 till 8:30 and then I went straight from work to see the house for the first time and I dropped off a load of my stuff. And then today I'm currently sitting in the car. It is 5:48 in the morning and I am at work for my other job and I start work at 6. I only have a really short shift today, so I'll be finished before lunchtime, and then I want to head back over to the new house, drop over another load of stuff, maybe just start unpacking and cleaning and things like that. I think my boyfriend might come over maybe to see it and to help me move a few things and unpack some stuff and just to hang out. And then I'm doing a formal client's makeup later today, but I just have to know the time and that'll just be whenever she's ready, so I'll just kind of like hang out till I know when to go to that. And then I'll probably go back to my parents' house, so like my home, and have dinner with my parents and like hang out with my parents and stuff because they leave to go interstate tomorrow for like a week and a half. So this is the last time they'll see me as a 19-year-old. It's really crazy. We also have our gas and electricity man coming today. We've already got electricity, but we have to transfer it into our name and we have to get gas, so we have hot water. And I think the oven might be gas. Fun, 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 fun. Adulting is great, but I should probably go to work soon, like as in get out of my car. So I'm just sitting outside my house right now and I'm just about to open the garage door for the first time, and I just wanted to let you know because I'm doing it. I don't even know which button it is. Not that one. This is my first time in the driveway, actually. And then the first person, oh my goodness, calm down. I know you're excited, but oh my goodness. All right, we're in the garage. Oh my goodness. Let's start unpacking some more stuff. My boyfriend's also on his way to help me out. I also bought the stools from Kmart after work so I can put them. I'll show you around a little bit because we did unpack a few things the other day. So I'll give you guys a little tour. So here we have Fifi in the brand new garage. Super exciting, new addition. So Georgia unloaded some of her stuff yesterday and I did too. This is just a pile of stuff. It's really dark in here, wow. Oh my gosh, there are lights just over there. This is supposed to be my filming room. I just have no idea how I want to organize it. Let's put some light in here. Whoa! Whoa! That's so cool. Also in the kitchen here, we unpacked it. Oh my gosh. What is this? Why is this still here? Okay, that is not mine. We unloaded all of my kitchen stuff because we needed to... guys, we've been in here for a day and there's already a mess. What do you mean? We needed to like figure out what we needed. I'm also gonna wash all of this stuff today. But I think that's the only really progress we've made. So just some empty boxes, which is a nice feeling, having some empty boxes on the like second day. This is great. So I'm currently washing everything and just making it all nice so I can put it away. No, I didn't. My boyfriend is here, he doesn't want to be in it. Sorry to everyone who's disappointed. I put this little sign up. How cute does it look? This is a little housewarming present from Kia, which is so sweet. This is stuff that I've washed. I don't want to put it away yet because I want to do a time lapse of me putting it away. I put some mugs up here, but yeah, clean stuff, dirty stuff. How many points? 100.
I'm lost, I'm found, but it's torture being it. I love when you're around. Reach this box, eat 'em up, beat 'em up. I come from a London.
What is this one? So, I got a big stain on my shirt. Fun times, but we're gonna ignore it. I just washed literally every single thing and it took so long. Also, excuse if there are any echoes, but we just like don't have any furniture right now. So this is like pretty much all my kitchen stuff and I'm gonna put it away. I kind of feel bad because I feel like all the girls would want to decide where stuff goes, but at the same time, if I don't put it away, it's just gonna be sitting on the kitchen and making it look really messy. So I'm gonna put it away, but obviously if they wanna change where things go, I'm totally fine with that. But I'm just trying to think about where's the most logical places to put things. Like obviously putting like pots and stuff next to the oven and like, you know, that sort of thing. So time lapse, let's go. Okay, so I've done some things. I'll show you what I've done. So in this little like hole thing, there's gonna be the microwave. I just haven't brought it over from my other house yet. Then we have plates, bowls, and then just like, I have this like microwave cover. So obviously above the microwave seems like a good spot for that. And then just like this bowl that fit there really well. I don't think we have anything below there. I haven't put anything below there anyway. In here, I have like some saucepans. I have other ones as well at my parents' house, which I need to go and get. And then down here, I have like some casserole dishes, lasagna dishes, muffin pans and trays, and then this little like colander kind of thing. Is that what it's called? I don't really know. And then on the other side of the oven, we have some mixing bowls, a platter. Like, we don't have a lot of stuff yet, guys. Just an FYI if you didn't notice. Just like some bowls, and that's like a little cake tin in there as well. Then I don't really like this whole setup yet, but we'll figure that out eventually. Up here, I just put glasses. Nothing else there yet. Up in this little cupboard, I have nothing in there yet. And then in this one here, I just missed it, I have some mugs. I know Georgia has a lot of mugs, so we'll probably have a lot more than this. And I think Izzy said she has some too. And then over on like the island, we have the electric fry pan and my rice cooker. Then under here is just cleaning stuff. And then in the first drawer, we have nothing as of right now. Then under here, I have all of my like other random utensils. Then some other random bits and pieces, and nothing in there. I assume we'll probably, oh, we have a tape measure. I assume we'll probably put something like tea towels and stuff in there. But that's currently the situation. Now I guess it's time to sort out this bedroom situation. progress has been made. I emptied like a bunch of bags full of clothes. So this one is just full of workout clothes and other bits and pieces, but I haven't got any room for them yet. I'm definitely gonna have to get some drawers or something. But like you can already tell that my wardrobe is already filling up, and this isn't even all my clothes, which is an issue. So up here I just put like swimsuits and stuff, and there's some clutches over the side there. Then over here I have like denim shorts, then like fabric shorts, jeans or slash pants, and then like skirts. I might just end up hanging these up to save some space here. Here I've just got like jumpers, sweaters and stuff like that, cardigans. Then down under that I have comfy hoodies. Then I have like long pants, like track pants and pajama pants. I have pajama shorts and then pajama shirts. And then down here I just have some shoes, but I'm like, they're probably not staying there. I just haven't decided where I'm putting them yet. Then I just have a bag here. This stuff is like a pile of stuff that I need to bring more hangers for. I haven't brought all my hangers over, so I need to do that. And then on this side, I've started hanging up my stuff. I have so much more room in this wardrobe than I did in my last one for hanging space, which is really, really great. So I have all like my metal hangers over this side, and then I have this over here, and then I have my heels up here. So progress is getting there. These are just little bits of home decor. No furniture yet. This is just full of like throw pillows. There's my throw blanket, and then just random bits and pieces. I'm still just like here alone because everyone else is busy. I have this like huge tub of stuff as well. I haven't really done anything in my like filming room yet. Like look at all my fake plants. That's an issue. I can start setting up my makeup and stuff because I've got that. My boyfriend and I set up my filming lights. Got the printer here that we got, and like my camera and stuff, but yeah, I haven't really sorted anything out in this room yet. So I just got home from a makeup client. It is about 4:25. I have the artistry hands. I feel like a legit artist when I do people's makeup because this is what ends up on my hand. So now the rest of the day is kind of just like getting other little errandy things done that I have to get done. I want to have dinner at my parents' house because they leave to go away for a week and a half tomorrow. So it's like the last time I'll be able to spend with them before they go. And then I don't know what's going on, but I got literally no sleep last night. Okay, but that's definitely an exaggeration. I got like 5 hours sleep last night, less than 5 hours, just because I couldn't get to sleep and it was so annoying. So although I'm not tired now, I know that I need to have a good sleep tonight because I have a 10-hour shift tomorrow. So exciting times. I'll talk to you guys when something really exciting is happening. I don't know when that'll be. So it is now a little bit later. It's almost dinner time, so obviously I said I'm gonna have dinner with my parents, but after that I've decided that I'm gonna go back to the other house and do another load of moving things in. So I've packed up my room a little bit more and I thought I'd show you the progress. So these are some of the things I'm going to be taking my plant, some hangers. This is like full of uni work stuff that I can take over now. Just my little like fluffy rug, my sock collection. I literally have a collection of chocolate right now, so that's an issue, but I'm going to take that over. This like long tub of stuff, which is just little random bits and pieces really. I've also got another one of these for my shoes, but I'm going to keep that here for now because I'm still living here. I'm going to take maybe my big mirror if it fits in my car, and I think that's everything that I'm taking. So I'm going to go pack this into my car now. Look who it is, having their first meal. Wait, is this your first meal at the house? No, I haven't eaten here. Yeah, this is the first time you're in this moving vlog, and woo! I'm mad because I should have been in this earlier. It's really rude. Giorgio and I are about to FaceTime Amy and tell her that we had the house because we haven't told her anything. Like none of our friends know that we got a house. We are very secretive people. You guys don't know, they don't know, no one knows.
What if she turns her phone off when she's studying?
That's rude.
It's like 9 p.m. Melbourne time. Maybe she's in the shower. Maybe she has better friends than us.
So Giorgio bought her mattress today. I'm going to test it out. It's real soft. I like it a lot.
Excuse me, you didn't jump.
Not answer any of my 15 FaceTimes.
What?
Bye.
15 FaceTimes? Did you get 15 FaceTimes?
No.
Should we go back inside? Take 23.
Hello!
Oh my gosh, hi.
Hello.
15 times and I was like, I forgot about it.
Excuse me, we called you like a lot of times as well.
I am an honest student and I had to submit things. I'm sorry, like I have more important things to do with my time.
Okay, bye.
Do you want to know the secret or not?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. done.
It's your house, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Oh my goodness.
We live here.
Hello my friends, it is future editing Rachel. Forgot to end this vlog, now I'm ending it here. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you're enjoying the moving vlogs. There is a lot more to come. So give this video a thumbs up if you did like it and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Goodbye.